Hey, we're here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive, and we're talking fixing cars and keeping cars in shape and all that. Brian, what are the cheapest, the cheapest cars to maintain and fix? Because, you know, I mean, I'm gonna go on a Ferrari probably isn't the cheapest thing, you know, to get fixed. Okay, so
high maintenance.
I knew that one. So what are the ones out there that if somebody's looking for a good automobile that, you know, won't cost a whole lot to maintain, they should be thinking about?
Well, so if you're starting new, statistically, you're starting from scratch with a new car. Statistically, Toyota's great. It's the cheapest cost per mile driven of any car out there. Kind of followed by Honda. Those are really the two best. If you're going used or any, you know, even if you own one for a long time, the cheapest cars to maintain are the ones that have been maintained. The problem comes in when it's neglected and you're trying to, it's hard to catch up. That gets real expensive.
You know, I can tell, last car I got was a certified car, and I'd never done that before. And I think the certified cars it's a used car, a little more than if you go shopping at all, but you know it's been maintained because you see all the records.
Yes.
And usually they're like leased cars, and so, you know, obviously the person had a reason to maintain them. And that's really great. So
it helps a lot.
That's, you know, it's good. It's good that you thought about it that way. If you're going to buy a new car versus a used car. So again, the new car. If somebody's buying a new car, Toyota.
Yep.
Any particular model? Just
I just rated it by the manufacturer. The study that I saw, and its cost per mile.
Okay.
And they just build them well for maintenance.
Okay.
Yeah, they run well. They don't require a lot of repair. They don't have a lot of required maintenance.
That's nice.
And then Honda's after that.
Well, there you have it. Honda, Toyota. If you're buying new and if you're buying used, I'd get certified myself. Or whoever. Just make sure somebody's been taking care of it. Maintain, you know. So it might be an older guy who lives on your street who took care of his car. Was changing the oil every week. So, hey, if you want to learn some more tricks about keeping your car in shape or getting it into shape, WeberAutomotive.com. You're going to want to visit that. We do a whole lot of videos there. So, thanks again, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.